I was really disappointed to hear that parts of the law that were previously struck down are being upheld.
The Quebec Court of Appeal ruled that the province's secularism law, Bill 21, is constitutional and overturned a lower court decision that had exempted English language school boards from it. The almost 300-page judgment came down on Thursday afternoon and is being considered a major victory for the Legault government and a win down what was called the entire line.
It's a great victory for all of those who support a secular Quebec. It's a great victory for Quebec. It's a great victory for all provinces. And it's especially a victory for Quebec's liberty, Quebec's autonomy, because of the part of the ruling on the notwithstanding clause. So basically what the Court of Appeal is saying is that Quebec can use the notwithstanding clause as it wish.
The law bans public sector workers in positions of authority from wearing religious symbols while on the job, and the province's highest court upheld much of a 2021 Quebec Superior Court ruling which said the law's use of the notwithstanding clause overrode infringements of fundamental rights.
The fact that aspects of the law were not upheld at the lower court and now will be upheld is yet another blow to the individuals who are affected, to the communities who are affected, and to the many, many, many people in this province who have voiced their opposition.
Former Quebecer and teacher Amrit Kaur says she left the province and moved to BC because of the law.
I've taught for 5 years wearing my turban. Not once has a student came to me and said, Miss Kaur, I want to tie a turban as well. The fact that previously the courts understood that teachers like myself could have the possibility to teach in English and that being taken away once again is disheartening for anyone who is affected by this bill. It's a heavy pill to swallow today.
We're obviously disappointed that this court did not judge in our favor. We obviously were confident that they would. That's why we launched the court challenge to begin with. We're going to obviously have to take the time to read it and read the judgment in full before we make a decision on what the next steps are going to be.
The 5-year legal battle may be far from over, as the case is most likely heading to the Supreme Court of Canada.
Anyone who is involved in the intervening will be taking this to the Supreme Court. And I think it's important for people who are directly impacted like myself, but also for the future of Quebecers.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.